So this is going to be a quick one. So if you have the T900 Ultra 2 smartwatch and you try to power it on, but the T900 device could not turn on, then here I'm going to show you how to do this. So basically here, you'll learn how to fix T900 Ultra 2 or T900 Ultra smartwatch not turning on. So if you try to turn on your T900 Ultra smartwatch and you discover it's not turning on, literally, when you want to turn it on, you need to press and hold this side button for like a few seconds. Then you should see iWatch Pro and it's going to turn on. But if in your own case, you try to turn on the T900 Ultra or Ultra 2 smartwatch, but it's not coming up, then this is what you need to do. Go get the T900 wireless charger, this, and plug it to a power source. So here, you need to plug the other end of the charger, this, to your adapter. Then once you plug it to an adapter, go ahead and plug it to a power source. After plugged it to a power source, take the T900 Ultra or Ultra 2 smartwatch and then place it on the charger like this for like 20 minutes or more. Or in most cases, if the T900 Ultra smartwatch is new and you try to turn it on but it's not turning on, make sure you charge it for 2 hours minimum. So I charged my T900 Ultra 2 smartwatch for 2 hours when I bought it because it is not turning on, and that fixed it. Then after a few minutes, the T900 is turned on by itself. You see that? So, and if it fails to turn on yet, now while the phone is charging or while the phone is on charger, go ahead and press the side button. Press it and see if it's going to turn on. And once you see the battery just like this, let's go the T900 side button. Then if it fails to turn on, then let it be. Then after a couple of minutes or hours, maybe you charge it for 2 hours or more, go ahead and press the side button. Then you should see the T900 turned on. So that is the only thing you need to do if your T900 is not turning on to make it turned on. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.